Hi everybody, I'm Shanna, your photobook master, and today I would like to talk to you about pet photo books. Now we create photo books for all kinds of different themes. Creating books about pets is definitely a favorite for many people. This is a book that I created a number of years ago. This was our first dog, Bear. It takes us through her life, which also corresponded with our boys' lives as they were super young. It's a great treasure. Now, the first thing that you need to do is gather all of your pet photos into one location. Of course, you can look back through all your photos and you can favorite them or heart them or like them, or you could create an album and you could pull them all into the album. But an even easier way now on most phones is to use the search function or the people/pet function for the iPhone. I'm going to show you what that looks like on my screen. So when I open up my iPhone, I'm going to click on my Photos app. It's going to open most likely to my library, and along the bottom I'm going to click on Albums. Now at the top you'll see various albums you've created, and if you scroll up you'll go through Shared Albums and then you see People, Pets, and Places. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to scroll down past a few of the people until I see some doggy faces come up. I see Tessa, I see Molly. I'm going to click on Molly, and let's show more. So now all the photos that I have of Molly are included in this one section. Now what you can do is you can click select and you can select various photos. You can choose to add them to an album. You can add to album there. You can favorite them so that you have them all in one place. You can decide which ones you want to use and how you want to save them. But at least this way you can find all the photos that you have in your camera roll of one certain pet. The other way that you can search is if you go back to your regular library view and you click the search button and you type in here dog, and I'll hit search, and then I'm going to click on see all, and this is going to bring up all the photos in my camera roll that have a dog in it. Now we had a few litters of puppies along the way, so a lot of these puppy photos are dogs that we don't even have anymore. So there's more to sift through this way, but it's definitely a way that you can search, especially if you don't have an iPhone and you want to use Google Photos or Amazon Photos to search. You can type dog or puppy into the search bar and it should get you a long, long way. If you don't have an iPhone, you have an Android, what is the cloud service that you use? Maybe Google Photos? Maybe Amazon Photos. Both of those cloud services have great search functionality. So if you type dog into the search bar or puppy into the search bar, it will bring up all kinds of dog and puppy photos. Now, of course, if you've had more than one dog over the years, you'll find all of those photos in that selection, but it will get you a lot closer than simply scrolling through many, many years of photos. Now that you have all your photos into one location, think a little bit about the book that you would like to create. Most people will do a book that's chronological. That's what I've done with this one. Is that what you're going to do as well? Once you have an idea in your mind of how you want to put the book together, it's time to hop online, look at an online designer, and pick out a template. I'm going to show you that now using mixbook.ca. When I see this first opening page, I'm going to hover over the word photo book right along the top, and it's going to give me some of the most searched theme options. I see right away on the second column the word pet, so I can click right here. The other option is you can use the search. You can always try for whatever theme you're looking for in the search bar and see what pops up. But let's go back here and let's click on pet, and we can scroll through the templates that they have set up specifically for pet photo books. Now keep in mind, when looking for a template, you want to find something that appeals to you. The colors that you like, the overall feel or theme, something that really suits your style and maybe your pet's style and looks like something that you want to work with. It doesn't mean that you will love every single element or every single font or color involved in this photo book. You can make changes, you can delete, you can add, you can edit, but it is a great starting point. So if you look through here and you think, you know what, none of these really speak to me, then come back up to the top. We'll go photo books, and we'll go all, and search through all the templates. If there's something here that you really like better, you think, oh, I really like this blue theme, or we'll just keep going, we'll load more. You like the black theme, you can always click on that and you can add elements to it that will suit the theme of your book, which is your pet. I'm going to scoot back up here, I'm going to go back to pet. If there's a book you think, I kind of like this theme, you can do a quick preview. You can scoot through the pages and decide, is this the look that I'm going for? I think, no, that's maybe not suited to my style so much. I'm going to come back here to Bailey's story. Let's flip through Bailey's story. Yes, that is one that I really like. I'm going to start book. At this point, you need to either create an account or log in with your information, and then the designer window will open. What has come up here is it is asking me if I would like to begin my project with photos that I've previously uploaded to other projects. I do not want to. For now, I'm just going to X that out. Now that you're in the designer, you have full control over your story. Add your photos, drag and drop them into the photo boxes. You can embellish, you can add your text, you can change up Bailey's name to the name of your pet. You can make it your own project. When everything looks good with the book you've put together online, go ahead and order, have it come back in the mail, set it out on your coffee table or an end table so that it can be enjoyed and viewed and all those memories can be relived again. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, follow along with us for more tips and tutorials on creating great photo books.